Yes, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, so today I'm going to be giving a demo for the newest screen on this application. So over here we have the Taqwa. Now it's going to be a new screen. We've added Jadwal Sholat. So now Doa is finished. Doa is finished, as you can see. Zakat is finished, as you can see. Now finish the third widget over here. Jadwal Sholat. As you can see, it's loading. So while it's loading, I'll explain a bit. So over here, we'll tell the screen, as usual, this is a stateful widget. Stateful widget means that it's dynamic, it can change. Like for example, since this is telling you the schedule and it changes every day, it can change whenever the user goes out and goes in, whenever the data changes. And then over here, uh, we're telling what we're telling that Jadwal Sholat is going to be filled with the Jadwal, the schedule that's gotten from this link over here. So this one will be holding all of the data from the schedule that tells the time, and then this is going to be taking the location. So the string is going to be holding the location, and then this boolean over here, which is a string, it will be asking, is loading true? If it's true, then, like you'll see, it's loading. But if it's not true, it will instantly show the UI. Ignore that. And over here, this is telling what should we fill in the URL and the link. I didn't mean URL. So over here, string city, string month, string year. So this would automatically follow with our device. It will follow like what city we are in and what month we are in, what year we are in. After that, it will put all of that into this link. After that, it will search the link and get the data from the link. Now, if response dot sets go 200, that means if it's responded and it's true, then it will put the code down here. It will enter what? It will insert all of the needed codes down here. But if it's not true, if it's not 200, then print gagal ambil data, and then it will tell what happened. Like maybe you haven't allowed to get uh, the schedule. You haven't allowed your location or your time, so the application can't take the data. Then throw exception failed to load Jadwal Sholat, so it will give you two notifications. And then over here, this code over here, if I remember correctly, this is gonna be the one that will control the GPS, and so it will know your location. This one controls your location, so it'll find your location. Uh, if your location does not have a name, like maybe the data doesn't exist, it will return as Bogor, so it will automatically become Bogor. Or if the city name is empty, city name, and then it will make the city name to lowercase. All the name in the city will become lowercase. As you can see, Kabupaten Bogor, it should be a big K usually, but because it's been all changed to lowercase, now it's all lowercase. And this is gonna be, we're gonna be removing, as you can see over here, my note, we're gonna be removing any unnecessary writings like Kota, Kabupaten, Regency, City, those unnecessary writings, we're gonna be removing that and then replacing with nothing, as you can see over here. Then, if, as you can see with my note, if the what's this? If the name is not detected in the AIP, then it will change it. So if it detects Kabupaten Bogor, but it doesn't know what's Kabupaten Bogor, it will change it to Bogor. Bogor City to Bogor. Kota Bogor to Bogor. Then it goes same for Malang and Surabaya, and then maybe some other, but it's not written here. The next, wait, Let's go to here. Wait, I think I skipped something. Nope, never mind. Why is this red? I think. So first of all, this over here um, asks for permission for the location. So if I just open this application, it will show that it will show a notification that says, "Can I get your permission?" Then if it's granted, then it will try to do this. It will ask the current position, and it will wait. And it will also ask for the longitude and latitude for more specific places. And then this will normalize the city name. Then over here, this will format the month. So the string is month, the string name is month, and then what's the month? It's date format month from date time now. So I'll ask your device for the month. Like example, maybe it's May. So I'll say it's May. The month is May. Then the year it'll take the data from your phone again, and then it'll say the year. And then and then this list over here is gonna be for this, as you can see over here. Then over here, this will update the UI, the list over here. So this code over here, set state, it was a stateful widget. So the set state, if in case there's any changes to the screen, this will help it change everything. Then catch, if it's not true, like before it's false, it'll print error fetching location or Jadwal Sholat. And then it will tell you why, as you can see over here, $E. E means error, I mean. And then is loading is going to be false. It's going to tell you that nope, it's not loading anymore, but it can't receive. But if it's not also catch, if it's not the error, it will say location permission not granted. So if it's not error, or if it's not where is it? It's not granted, then it will print location permission not granted. Wait, give me a sec. Then over here, this will build the actual UI. We've actually just been scrolling through the backbone, you could say, the data that's needed for the place. Give me a sec. So this code over here, I think like from around here, this would this would pick the correct row from the Johnson file before. This one, they'll click the correct row according to today's date. And then if it's null, they'll just say like nope. Then return scaffold. Scaffold is gonna be the canvas for this. So now we're actually starting to make the UI. And this app bar. App bar is this Jadwal Sholat, as you can see. This to this is all app bar. It's gonna be making the top part. It's all the same like every other app bar. Now we're gonna make the body. Now if loading is false, then it will show the body. Then first of all, I'll make a child. This container. If it failed to load, then it will load this. But if it did not fail, then it will show a container. As you can see this. No, it will make the whole thing a container. Then it will set the color blue to 50. This, as you can see, is blue. And then it will make a child, and the child are going to stack. So the widgets could be on top of each other. You can see the background and this, they're on top of each other. And then inside the child, there's children, of course. First of all, we'll put image asset, which is the background. As you can see over here, it's the background, normal. For that, make a column that's going to be covering the background. 1, 2, 3. This is a column. It's a column. After that, make children. So there can be a lot of widgets inside it. Then it will make a size box height 40 with the height 48, and then it will tell it to align to the top center. So as you can see, the top center, I'll say the day and the month and the date. This is the day, date, month. This is gonna be the location, and then this is gonna be the we're setting the UI so it looks better. As you can see, color white, pop in semi bold, the font family, the color, the font size. Yeah, it's all setting over here. After that, it will make a new sized box. Okay, so let me read this for a sec. Primary, so it's orange. Okay, so this part is gonna be for this one. As you can see, color primary location is it's gonna get the location. The icon is gonna be location around, as you can see over here. And then the size is gonna be 14, so the font is 14. The color is color primary, it's orange, as you can see over here. After that, it will make a new text, as you can see. Mga bilokasi, if it's not loaded yet, then I'll tell the UI color white, hope it's regular, all of that. Then sized box. We're gonna be making this now. The size box of height 48. Yeah, then it has a margin and padding, as you can see. The horizontal is 24, the margin. Margins, yeah, this, the thickness. Then the padding is from the edge of the thickness to the inside. The horizontal sticker, as you can see, 32, and the vertical is 24, but it's all symmetric, so it copies it on all sides. Then this is gonna be decorated in the box. It tells the color white. It tells that it's round. And now we're gonna add the child over here. So all of this over here is gonna be these subu, time, and what image clock. As you can see, after children, it's all time. And then it says the prayer is subu. So we know the first one is prayer subu. Then the time it takes from today's schedule. And the image is gonna be this one, the image asset, image clock. And then it says that the height is 16, so this is 16. Then it's a container. Then it puts a container. The width is double infinity, so it'll fill the whole place except the padding. Then so it'll say the color is white. As you can see, there isn't any background, so you can't really see the white color. It's white. And we repeat it for all of this, and then we just close the code in. Oh yeah, and also one last thing I forgot to say on dashboard screen and also main guard. I've added where is it? This. I've changed this so I could load it in main dart. As you can see, Jadwal Sholat. Now I could click it. Boom, boom, boom. See? So I guess that would be all for me. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.